Okay, in this lesson, I will draw basic shapes for you guys. I will start. Okay, then you can create your own folder. For example, you can create your own name. Then I will go to this folder, and I will create a new file. Create a separate file. And I will choose the turtle. For example, this lesson is basic lesson number 101. Then you choose Create. For basic drawing, I will start with programming using flowchart. You can turn on flowchart mode. Already, the most obvious command from the map is that I will draw a circle, and I call it into the circle command. Open parentheses, close parentheses, ha. And if I have a radius, in the middle I will enter a number. For example, 50. Then I ran up. This is circular. Then I can draw a square. However, it is a gradual thing. This one is not square. And I was forced to draw separately. For example, I have to forward. And I'll stay here for a long time to make it easier to see. And I will turn. Forward, then turn 90 degrees, turn left or right, whatever. So here I will leave. And this forward and turn repeats 4 times, so you can duplicate it. Forward, left, left. You guys can continue doing this yourself, for example like this. Duplicate. Already. And I will connect here. Forward, left. There. Then, just multiply forward and left 4 times, and it will form a square. However, people wouldn't do this right. People won't do this, you can click delete. People will repeat this forward, left 4 times. So here I will put this forward and left into the loop. Put this forward and left into the loop. Okay, people just use loops, but here people use loop, ha. Loop. And first people will enter the previous loop. So it can be repeated 4 times, so I will simply call it repeat 4 times. I'm going to use the loop, and it's going to run here. It repeats. If you repeat, the first one repeats, then you guys pull it back up. Pull it back up right to the output, where LED 90 is. You drag it back up here. On the input again like this. So initially the command will repeat 4 times, and then it will run around this loop 4 times enough, right? And it will come out here, so I will run. It will form a square. That's square, ha. With triangles, it's very simple, like here I will adjust this to 3 times. And instead of drawing 90, I will curve it to the outside corner at 120. Note that this angle is not a triangular angle. A triangle angle is an interior angle of 180 minus 60. This corner is where the turtle is going in this straight direction as it turns. Okay, that's a triangle. And you can draw other pictures as you like.